Hello everyone, this is a no-stud TV mount. It can support TVs from 32 inches to 75 inches and it has a load capacity of 150 pounds or 68 kilograms. So here I want to hang my 65-inch Sanyo TV on the wall, and I chose this no-stud TV wall mount because where I want to hang my TV there are no studs. So in this video I'm gonna unbox it so to see what's in the box, and then I'm gonna show you how I'll be installing it, and we're gonna test its sturdiness by hanging the TV and seeing how it will support its weight. So let's start by unboxing it. So let's see what comes in the box. So this is what comes in the box. So this is the bar that you're gonna put on the wall. These are the holes where you're gonna put the nails, and I'm gonna show you how to install it. And here I'm gonna see how long is it. So it is 63 centimeters or 24.8 inches. And these are the screws that go on the TV. These are the nails, and this is a leveler. And these hooks will go on the back of the TV. I'm gonna show you everything how I'm gonna install it. And these are to adjust the tilt. So you put this on the bottom of the VESA mount of the TV, and if you want it longer, you can put this inside it so you can adjust the tilt of the TV. So what I'm gonna do first is that I'm gonna find the screws that fit my TV, and I'm gonna show you how to install the hooks on the back of the TV. So these are the screws that will fit my TV. These are too long, I tested them on the TV. These are too short, and these are a little bit long. So to adjust it, I'm gonna put these washers that come also with this TV wall mount. So these are the screw holes for the VESA mount on my TV. This is here 40 centimeters and this is 30 centimeters. And this is the first one that I'm gonna install here. So I already put the screw and the washer inside. So let's install it. So it should install with the hooks pointing downwards like this, and never over tighten it. So now I'm gonna tighten it just enough so that it holds in place. So now it is firmly installed. Let's install the second one. So for the second one, I also put the screw and the washer here. And then to install it, you need a Phillips head screwdriver. Make sure it installs smoothly. So now it installed firmly. So now what I'll be doing is that I will be installing the spacers. And to install the spacers, I'm gonna use the long screws. So this is the second spacer I'm installing. So now I'm gonna install the bar. So now I wanna show you how I measured where to install the bar. So the first thing I did is that I took the measurement from the bottom of the TV to the hook here that will go on the bar. So this here is 47 centimeters. And I also measured from the VESA mount to the side of the TV. It is 42 centimeters. So let me put the TV now to the side. And here I have a small dresser that will go below the TV. So I need to measure from the top of the dresser to where I'm gonna put the nails, 52 centimeters. So to leave 5 centimeters for like a buffer, so for the TV to be on top of the dresser. And for the left here, so remember the TV is 42 centimeters from the side of the VESA mount to the end. So we need to measure 42 centimeters here. So I want the TV to end here. So I'm gonna put the first nail here. So let me put here a point. So this is where the first nail will go, and I'm gonna show you how to install it. So you have these nails with the TV mount, and it comes also with a leveler. Of course, you need a hammer too. So to install the nail, this is where the nail should go here. So put it here like this. And then you need to put the first one, and then we're gonna level it. And notice that the nail goes in an angle, and this is why it can hold the TV without a stud. So now put the leveler here, and then you need to level it. So here it is leveled exactly, and now we need to put the second nail here. So it is exactly leveled like this. And now all you have to do is put the other nails here. Before installing the TV, I wanted to show you here that this TV mount has a stop, so the TV can't slide here. So also an advice before installing the TV, connect all the cables you want, because the TV will be flush on the wall, so it is a little bit harder to connect the cables after you install the TV. Of course, also before installing the TV, you need to remove its legs. So this is what I'm gonna do now. So this is how I'll be removing the legs of my TV. They have only 2 screws here. You need a Phillips head screwdriver. Do not discard the legs, because if you wanna put the TV afterwards without a wall mount, you will need the legs. So put them in a safe place where you don't lose them. So now I connected all the cables to my TV and I'll be installing it. And it should install very easily. So now the TV is installed and everything really looks very sturdy. So let me show you the TV. So this is how it is mounted on the back. And it really is very good. And see how the TV is installed, and it really looks very good and it is very sturdy. And notice the distance from the dresser, as I told you, so the measurement was also spot on, and the TV is not tilting and it is leveled exactly as it should be. If you want to check out this TV wall mount, I'm going to leave an Amazon affiliate link in the description below. If you make a purchase using my link, I will gain a small percentage at no cost to you, and this will help my channel. I hope that you liked this video and you found it useful. In case you did, please share it, subscribe to my channel, and give this video a thumbs up. I would really appreciate it. I'm Eloy from Stuff Around the House. See you in the next video.